Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own Gorilla Tag fighting game. This will include the basics such as the gorilla movement, which is, so you're in Gorilla Tag and you're using the same movement. So let's get straight into today's video. First thing, go to your browser, or any type of browser, and search up Gorilla Locomotion. It should pop up though. You don't actually have to say Unity. I don't know why I said Unity. And then go to the first GitHub link and click on this Gorilla Locomotion.unity package and download it. Then search up Unity, go to the first link, and then press download Unity. So now, open up Unity. I'll keep that one there. Then you want to go to licenses, add license, get a free personal license, agree and get a personal edition license. Then go to installs, because you should be on the default, which is Unity 6 now. So if you don't want to be on Unity 6, you can go to up here, install editor, archive, and if this doesn't show you, like if this doesn't come up, but I wouldn't recommend this because it actually doesn't show all the things. So go all the way down and click download archive, but this link will also be in the description. So now go to here, go to Unity, to go to the versions here and press 2022, and now scroll down until you see 2022.3.49 F1, and then go here and press install, and it should install it on your Unity. So now that you have your version or anything like that, you can press new project. Make sure now, like I said, you're gonna be on default, so make sure before you do anything like this, you go up here, go to edit, click on this thing where it says editor version and change it to 22.3.49 F1, but you can also use different versions. Just make sure it's on Unity 5, Unity 6. So I'll do this one. Then make sure it's on 3D built-in render pipeline. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna do tutorial game. And then press create project. So now once your project is open, let it compile all these things. And if you have like this, don't worry, these are warnings, so you can press clear. Now once you're in your game, a little suggestion is to go up to this camera, hit the arrow, and put the FOV to anything you like, or the field of view. I always go 104 because it should be like 60 or something. But 104 is like the perfect amount for me. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to edit, project settings, and then you can full screen it if it's not already full screen, and go to XR plugin management and press install XR plugin management. Now once it's open, you can go back to XR plugin management and then so you should see a computer or like a monitor, this thing, and Android. If you don't see Android, you have to redo the project. But yeah, so just to let you know, for me and some other people, the Oculus tab for Android doesn't pop up. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. So exit out of this, go to Window, Package Manager, and by the way, if this doesn't happen for you, you can just skip forward. And then go to Unity, press Packages, and change this to Unity Registry, and search up Oculus XR plugin and install it. Alright, so now it's installed, so you can go back to your project settings, edit project settings, and now the tab should be there, but you can still go here and press Oculus, it will still work. And then go to the monitor and press Open XR. And then press yes. Okay, so now go to project validation, fix all. And then when they should be on, but then press edit. Oh, okay. So now, see where it says enable interaction profiles. Hit the plus here. And do MetaQuest Touch Pro controller, Oculus Touch controller, Valve Index controller, MetaQuest Touch Plus controller. Basically every like meta controller here. So there should be 4, and then go to the Android logo here and do the exact same thing. So MetaQuest Touch Pro, Oculus Touch controller, and MetaQuest Touch Plus. Now the Valve Index one won't be there though. Then do single pass instant to multipass, single pass instant to multipass. Do the same for Oculus, single pass to multipass, then multi-view to multipass. Then turn on low overhead mode, and then target devices down here. Just click them both, the 3Ds, and then you should be done. And it goes to a file, save. Now do window, package manager. Make sure you're on the Unity registry, and now search up here XR Interactional Toolkit and press install. We've got Rashford. Okay, so now go to samples and then press starter assets and then press import. This is very important, so make sure you do this. Oh my god. Okay. It's called Samples XR International Toolkit 2.65 starter asset preset, and all of these press add. So click them and press add. Okay, so once you're done, go to edit, project settings, preset manager, and on the action-based controller here, make sure it's not any of these. Just make sure it has 3 options. For the right, the XRI default right controller, say right, and for the left one, do left. Don't do anything for the gaze controller. And then press. You can just exit out of that, and then save it. So now, yeah. So now, what you can do is we can start importing. So delete this main camera, delete the directional light, should be empty. So now, what you can do is right click, import package, custom package, white, okay. And then go to wherever it shows your thing. So I have it here and press open, all, press import. So this should just, yeah. And then you can press reload. And now it's gonna pop up with a new folder. You can click it, Gorilla Prefab, Gorilla Rig, and drag this out. So here is your Gorilla Rig. These spheres hold so these spheres hold what controllers there. So basically, so this one should be, this one will be the let's check. So this one is the left, and this one, the top one, is the right. But press Gorilla Rig, and it's gonna say this. So you wanna 3 dots, remove component, add component, X, R, origin, and then click this script. And then for the camera, so for the origin based game object, do the Gorilla Rig, and then the camera floor offset game object, put that as the Gorilla player. So open up the Gorilla to get this. The camera, You might be thinking it's these, to delete these again if they pop up. So the camera would be, if you open up Gorilla Player, get the main camera from there and place it in. Tracking origin mode is just floor, and then 3 dots on the XR rig. Remove component, apply it to prefab Gorilla rig. Now, on the left and right hand controller, go press here where it says tag, add tag, name it hand tag, and then go here to where it says layers and do left hand and right hand, exactly spelled like these. I mean, you don't have to do it like this, I just like doing it like this. But the hand tag has to be have a capital H and a capital T. Now click on both of them, add the hand tag to both of them by clicking one of them and pressing shift, and then on the left hand controller, add the left hand layer, and for the right, add the right hand. And also click the Gorilla rig, right click, prefab, unpack completely, and then go to the sphere. So the top sphere is your right one, so do right sphere, and then the bottom under it should be left sphere. So click on one of them, then hold shift and click the other, and then press add component and do sphere collider, and then press on the radius do 0.06 and then it's trigger. So yeah, so you should have these, and yes, that's how to add the Gorilla. So let's make a little basic map. So I'm gonna do like, for me, I'm gonna do right click 3D objects, and I'm gonna do a plane. So this is gonna be my map for now. Obviously I'm making a better one in the future, but it's just like for this. You guys can make whatever you want and drag the Gorilla rig over to it. So actually, for the plane, I'm gonna do, just to make sure they're both where the exact same place, I'm gonna do on the position of the plane, make them all 0. And then for the Gorilla rig, do the exact same thing. So 0, 0, 0. So then it is in the exact place. And then move the plane down a bit. So yeah, then your Gorilla rig should be here. Right, left. So here, right, here, left. So now, what you want to do is just, you can right click, create folder, and name this like materials, and open this, and I'm gonna just do right click, create material, and I'm gonna make like, I don't know, like a gray material for the floor. And then, to be honest, I'll probably just do like, I'm gonna move up the plane on the rig. You shouldn't move up the rig in general, but I'm just doing it for the point of this, because this is just a test, like, tutorial game. But you can just add whatever you want to this map. For me, I'm just gonna add like, maybe like some steps. So I'm gonna just make some, honestly, I'll just make like a little, yeah, I'll make like 3 steps for like a platform. So here, go down, let's make like a round. I'm gonna just make like this. It's gonna be bad, but like, I'm not gonna try. I'm just making some random things. I'll do like 3 cubes. So okay, yeah, I'll just do like that, and then I'll just do like a platform. So yeah, I'll just do like this random platform. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna add some materials, so I'm just gonna duplicate these. Let's see. I need a kind of like a brownish one for this, and then I'll do like, well, I'll do like red, green, and I'll do like blue. Those are like my favorite colors, so I'll just do those. And then, yeah, just drag on your materials to the material. I don't know why the material is not working. Is there like another cube here? Oh, there is. Yeah, there's like some. Where does it? Alright, so I'm gonna just make another material because do like yellow. Okay, yeah. For this one, I need to grab this cube. So I'm gonna grab this cube, make another step, I guess. Okay. So yeah, you should probably try harder than me, just because this isn't like my best work. So I'm just like doing some random stuff. Make sure the steps are close enough to each other. And then yeah, this is my game. And if you press game, you can see the thing. So yeah, that's how to make your Girls Like Fun game. If you want for all of these cubes, so click on one and press shift to select all of them, and just press each trigger and make sure the box colliders are good. And then yeah, that's how to make your own Girls Like Fun game.